time, and you all dressed in white. And when the band played Hey Now,